Hello students, let's do one theorem of simple random sampling. Theorem is, in case of simple random sampling with replacement, the sample mean small x bar is an unbiased estimator of population mean mu. In sample survey, sample mean is denoted by small x bar and the population mean is denoted by mu. Okay, or we can use capital X bar also. So generally it is denoted by mu. So the theorem is, in case of simple random sampling with replacement, the sample mean small x bar is an unbiased estimator of population mean mu. That means E of small x bar is equal to mu, which is capital X bar. Okay. If this holds, we can say this is an unbiased estimator of this. Mean of E means mean of the sample mean. Okay, we get different sample mean. This is a population mean is a constant quantity, but sample mean is a variable because different composition of sample, so we get different sample mean. And that mean vary because of the different composition of the sample. So sample mean is a variable where population mean is a constant, because population, it is a population mean, so it is a constant quantity, and sample mean means different sample have different mean, so it is a variable. So I is there, but we generally don't write E. So it means E of small x bar is equal to mu. That means mean of all the sample mean. If we take the mean of all the sample mean and we get the mu value, it means this is an unbiased estimator of population means. Whatever be the sample mean, that will be the unbiased estimator of the population mean. Okay. So let's do the proof. So let's suppose, let x1, x2, x3 up to xn be the n unit of the population. Okay, because number of unit in the population is denoted by capital N. So these are the n unit of the population, and x1, x2, x3 up to xn are the n unit of the sample. Here sample number of unit in the sample is denoted by small n, so it goes from 1 to up to xn. So these are the n sample unit. Okay. Now we know this is capital X bar, or we can write mu is equal to 1 by n summation of xi, where I goes from 1 to n. So this is the formula of finding population mean. And for sample mean, it will be 1 by small n summation of xi, where I goes from 1 to small n. So this is the formula of sample mean. Now we need to prove that E of small x bar is equal to mu. So let's start with this sample mean. So x bar is equal to 1 by n summation xi, where I goes from 1 to n. Now take E of small x bar. Now this side also put E of 1 by n summation I goes from 1 to small n xi. Okay, now look here, 1 by n is a constant quantity, bring it outside, then summation I goes from 1 to n. E means mean, so take the mean of this variable, so E will be inside xi. Okay. Now let's separately we find this part separately. Since xi since xi is a sample observation, means xi goes from 1 to n is a sample observation, so it takes any values x1, x2, xn, okay, any values with the probability 1 by n. because here the probability will be constant. Okay, for each unit the probability is same here 1 by n, or it is a case of with replacement. So here the probability is 1 by n. So let me find E of xi separately. So it will be summation of xi pi, xi capital Xi pi, because small xi will be the any value of capital Xi. So E of xi is equal to summation of xi pi. Means we have to take all the x1 p1 plus x2 p2 plus up to xn capital N pn, xn pn. Now this will be 1 by n, for each it will be 1 by n. So x1 1 by n into x2 1 by n up to xn 1 by n. Now this will be, we can write 1 by n common, x1 plus x2 up to plus xn. So it will be 1 by n summation of xi, where I goes from 1 to capital N. Okay. So expectation of xi, which is summation of xi pi, where xi will be the any value of capital Xi. So it will be xi pi x1 p1 x2 p2 up to xn pn. So here all the probabilities are 1 by n, means each element of the population has same probability 1 by n. So we write in place of p, that means which is probability, we write 1 by n 1 by n 1 by n. Now if you take 1 by n common, it will be sum of this. So we can write summation of xi, where I goes from 1 to n. So this is the formula of population mean. So we can write mu here. So it will be 1 by small n summation I goes from 1 to n. E of this will be mu. We have done here. E of this part will be mu. So summation of constant is n constant. So it is n into n mu. Summation of constant, mu is a constant quantity. So summation of constant is n constant, because here I goes from 1 to n. So small n to n constants, n cancel. So we will get mu, hence the proof. It means we have proved that E of small x bar is equal to mu. Okay. In next video we will do for simple random sampling without replacement. Okay, the same thing for without replacement case. Thank you.